Back to Ominous Descent. Was here not that long ago for their Halloween hunt. Back for the Christmas hunt. Had a great time. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Hope you guys enjoy this video as well.
Hey, have you seen Mrs. Claus? I made something wonderful for her this Christmas. You're gonna love it. Merry Christmas.
Thank you. Don't murder me. I didn't say thank you very much. What's behind the curtain? Oh.
Wake up! You gotta wake up! It's a nightmare! It's a nightmare, come on! You gotta get out of here! You gotta wake up! Please, it's a nightmare! Please get me out of here! Please help me!
Thomas went the wrong way.
What are you doing?
I don't know.
You can't be here!
Okay, I'll leave.
You're not supposed to!
Let's say let's go this way.
You're gonna get hurt! Help me! I found my Christmas dinner!
Okay.
Go! Please don't leave me here!
Leave you?
Stop! Help me! Don't go!
Okay, I'll go get help. I'll get help. You know. Woo! Yeah, piggy.
Gotcha!
Yeah, you did. Oh. It was this way. This way. I knew that. I knew that. I was just kidding. I love the lasers shooting through the fence. That's pretty awesome. Oh, hello. Oh. stop saying that, okay? I kind of wore that one out. Oh, it's so good.
I see you!
I see you too. I mean,
What are you doing in my swamp?
that's pretty. I thought it was cool to walk through.
There's too much yellow snow!
Sorry.
Daylight! Daylight, it's not lemonade! Take me with you! This song is not lemonade! Too much yellow
Well, it probably was lemonade once.
Please, he's crazy!
That's fine.
Help me!
He's fine.
Please,
Oh,
help!
hello.
Please don't
You
leave
can't
me!
get the help
He's gonna kill me, please! Please help me! Please,
She's having a rough night. Yeah. I'm sorry, I cannot understand you. Oh, hello. I'm not Santa. I guess it's not. It's just not Santa. Open here somewhere. It's this way, right? Oh, hello.
please help me!
Merry Christmas,
We can't escape unless you wake!
I can
Wake up already, please!
No,
There's
5 more
no
minutes.
escape
5 more
from this
minutes.
place
Oh,
unless
5
you
more
wake
minutes.
up! Why are you
This
still
waits for
sleeping?
no one, so how can the doctor help you tonight? Come on!
Stop sleeping!
Happy
Wake up!
Christmas,
Oh,
huh?
yeah.
Please wake up!
We had your shots tonight.
Wake up!
I sure hope.
Wake up
Wow.
already!
Merry Christmas.
We can't get through this place!
Oh, wow. Another amazing walkthrough. Such a good hunt. Yeah, you guys, it's only a short amount of time, but you really have to get out of it. I guess you saw why. Again, thank you to Ominous Descent for having me out. Hope you enjoyed this video. Do all the things. And remember, hunt season never ends.